Oh, really? We're hiking?
Yeah. So we're hiking to a swing.
What is this for?
Schoolwork.
Great. What kind of schoolwork?
A science experiment.
Cool.
Well, I believe it's bamboo, but it might be Arundo cane.
Alright, so this is a prickly pear cactus, which is a cactus with these really cool pads. And they can produce berries. In fact, they can produce a lot of berries that you can eat. But look up a tutorial on how to process them to make them edible first, because they do also have little pokey things, and you don't want to try and handpick these without gloves, because you can get little tiny pokey hairs into your hands and it really hurts. Look up a tutorial, and after that you might be able to blend them into a sweet smoothie.
Check it out.
Okay, I think that's dog, maybe fox or coyote. I don't know for sure, but I believe it's mustard. Oh, that's mustard. Oh, that's mustard. Oh, that's black mustard. Ooh, black mustard.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special bulletin.
The audio in the next several clips is bad. I did my best to fix it, but to no avail. My apologies. I will do better next time.
This plant and that plant, it's called mustard. And it doesn't taste like mustard, as you may have thought. In fact, I don't even think it has anything to do with mustard. In fact, it's actually spicy.
Why is it called mustard then? Did Colonel Mustard discover it in
I don't know.
with a knife in the bedroom?
And there are a couple different kinds. The only kind I can currently remember is black mustard, which is incredibly spicy. And this right here, I think. Wait, is this And no, Daddy, Colonel Mustard did not use a knife or whatever he said in his bedroom, okay? So, mustard can, well, it has a couple different variants, really. And the one we have here is called black mustard. It's called black mustard because it's very spicy, you know? So, I'm gonna take a bite of this and tell you whether my tongue is burning or not. Oh, my tongue is burning.
This is Liam putting his science book back in the backpack. More training he has. Is that honeysuckle? Honeysickle?
Here. Don't try this at home because I'm not quite sure. No, seriously, don't try it. I know they're like, don't try this at home, kids. And then you try it, but don't try it. And got a bit of honey.